Hi, so here is the advanced tickets bot. So if you want to buy tickets or book tickets, then it can be very useful for you. And it is very useful if you are taking tickets as your business to buy some tickets in cheap, and if you want to resell them, then it's a really effective bot for you. So at first you need to update the related sheets. Here you need to put your events link, and here you need to put the all the other credentials like your Gmail account, your account's app password, the receiver mail, and the Telegram group link where you want to get the alerts. And then also you need to install the requirements and Python everything. After setting all those up, you need to edit here the settings. So in the settings you need to put here the wait time, then the Gmail, do you want to get Gmail alert or not? If you don't want, then put here no. If you want to get Telegram, then put here yes, otherwise just put no. Then if you want to use proxies, then put your proxies here along with the password and username. And if you don't want, then just put here no. And also put here delay if you want between each event checking, then you can put here the delay in seconds. And if you don't want that, then you can just put here no. And also the loop delay, it means after checking all the tickets, should it wait for some time or it just continue. So you can just put here the loop delay in seconds, or you can just put here no. And after adding your changes here, you can just save it and close it. And when all the settings are done, then you can just open the run.batch file. So here are your current settings, and the bot is starting. And the speed of its working will totally depend on your internet connection and your PC's specs. So if your PC is quite powerful, and if you have a good stable internet connection, then it will work so fast. Even you won't be able to see how fast it's working when there is a ticket available it found. Okay. So if it finds any ticket available, then you will see that how fast it works. Okay, so it has came to the next page, but there is no ticket available. So it just so you can see all the timelines also, the page loaded, and all the thing. You can see here it has found the ticket. Then it also says the ticket price is higher than expected. So actually you can set the ticket prices also, and if it finds any ticket that is below your target or equal to your target, only then it will initiate to actually buying that. So it's actually quite advanced bot, and also if you need any modification, then that's possible for this bot as it is ready made. So if you want this bot, you need to spend $150. But if you want to modify anything, then it will depend on your requirement. Okay. And currently the email notification system and the telegram group notification system is off. So when that is on, if it finds any ticket, then instantly you will get that notification to your email or your telegram group if you turn on that in the setting. So you need to specify that in the setting. If you want to turn on that, then you need to just type there yes, and as I have put it there no, so it will not check that. Okay. and you can just keep it running, and whenever you get that notification, you just hop into it and just buy the ticket. Okay, so that's it. So if you are interested in this bot, you can just contact me. My telegram information is in the description. You can just contact me, and please don't ask this bot for free, because that's not possible. So it's fixed $150. So if you are interested, you can just contact me, and we will have a deal.